Good day, everyone. Today, we will learn about value, experience, and morality. To start this off, do you believe that only humans are morals? If your answer is yes, you are correct. Only human beings can act morally. We don't ascribe morality to animals or to natural calamities like typhoons, earthquakes, or tsunamis. On the other hand, animals are not capable of the act of deliberation or reflection. However, as a human being and the process we undertake every day, we could not help but choose options that are available to us, like choosing outfit that you want to wear that day, or choosing no from the menu, and even deciding what haircut we want for ourselves. Values are the result of this process of value experience where you're setting which are the priorities that you have chosen to pursue. Now, let us find out the difference between values and moral values. According to Marshad, all values are priorities with respect to some aspect of human experience. But the question is, when does a value become the moral value? All human beings have its own value and moral value. Some value money and opportunities that they can acquire in other countries. But if their moral value is love and being with their family and loved ones, then they can sacrifice those opportunities just to be with their family. Thus, you can consider something a moral value if you are willing to give up other values like money in order to have your moral value. Moving on, moral judgments and moral decisions. According to Marshad, a moral decision is the most important class of moral judgments. It has reference to the judge's own future action. Most people with siblings tend to depend to their other siblings when they encounter problems. However, not all siblings are open with this idea, and that will be the moral decision. But even with that thinking, loving nature siblings will come through, and that's when moral judgment come into place, which the other siblings decided to bond and comfort your sibling. But let us all remember that not all moral judgments are decisions. Continuing, let us now learn the intellectual choice and practical choice. Victor Gratian, the author of the book, labeled this confusion as the confusion between what one ought to do and one would be inclined to do. In school, we encounter many circumstances like how this young man are being bullied by the same guy who always got failing grades. Would the young man being bullied rather use its intellectual choice by helping the bully to make up its grades, or would he rather use his practical choice to not help him at all because he bullied him? You, what will be your choice? Remember, intellectual choice focuses on what is supposed to be done, and practical choice focuses on the consequences that might happen. Hopefully, you will be guided by the correct choices based on what you ought to do. Thank you, and I hope that I've helped you understand value, experience,